The first thing is, most of the students are unaware of what is coming in the examination, are unaware of all the beautiful concepts. They go through the traditional methods, they go through the X and Y and Z methods, long methods, and kill their chances of clearing it. It's very, very important for a student to know. Tomorrow, first 10-15 minutes, I will only talk about the time management and the strategy to do very well in DXC examination. Most of you might be thinking that, no, I think I will clear. Please do remember, gone are the days where good number of students are getting recruited. Most of the companies are playing a very watchful game and taking the best people, not only good in aptitude and reasoning, but also good in coding, and also they carry a personality of working with a team very beautifully. They are going to check your internships, they are going to check how you speak, they are going to check your co-curricular activities, extracurricular activities, your logical thinking skills, and most importantly, they will check whether you fit into the culture of the companies. Very, very important. Please do not take the exam lightly. Most of the engineering students, they think that they are very good in aptitude, but they end up not clearing the examination. You will feel sad in case if you do not clear it. Ensure that you pay little extra attention. Very, very important to know the previous year exams. And most importantly, I was speaking to a few of the students from the colleges where I was stressing on the importance of attempting the practice test, online test, to check your time management skills, your examination strategy skills. Please take a screenshot of it. Please take a screenshot of it. This could be one of the reasons in case if you do not clear it. And this screenshot will help you to analyze where you are going wrong. I will stand here for some time. Kindly take a screenshot of it. Very, very important thing for a student to know all these strategies. One slide I kept it for strategy because in most of the examination it is not only just an aptitude, reasoning and verbal. There will be an automata fix. There will be an coding related things. Very, very important for a student to know all these things. Most of the questions in the examination you will leave unattempted because you think that is a tough question or that is not discussed with you. Your familiarity with the question patterns is extremely important. And this is also one thing. Most of the students, they take the first test as the company test. Very, very important for you to attempt an online test, a trial test, to develop a strategy which maximizes. It's a very simple algorithm. Very simple algorithm. Understand the syllabus. Understand the syllabus. Learn all the concepts. Learn all the concepts, strategies, techniques. Attempt online test. Attempt practice test. Develop your own strategy. What works well for you will not work for your friends, and succeed. It's a very simple algorithm for you. First, understand the syllabus and learn all the concepts. When I say a concept, I'm not going to say it in an R.S. Agarwal approach. Each and every student should know the optimal ways of solving the problem. Entire class, don't expect any traditional methods. Let us get into the subject. First question. See the first question. See the first question. 9 by 14. 9 by 14 equivalent to how much? There are 4 options are there. 9 by 14, A option, B option, C option, D option. What most of the students do is, they do this wrong approach. They do this wrong approach, or unfortunately, teachers might teach them a wrong approach. 9 by 14. What they will do is, 9 they will divide by 14 and they will do 0.6, 84, 60. Right? People will laugh if you do this method. 9 by 14, converting a fraction into decimal, they will do this. In case if you are doing like this, I'm sorry to say your understanding of aptitude, it is very, very weak. Concept. Every question I will discuss a concept. concept. If this question is asked to an Anil Nair student, how beautifully, without doing like this, he will solve the question. This question, maximum it takes less than 10 seconds if you know the concept. What is the concept? See here. Concept. Please write down, sir. A fraction, every slide is important to you, sir. A fraction is of the form numerator by denominator. A fraction is of the form numerator by denominator. Proper fraction, improper fraction, all that will come into this. dr represents a denominator. If the denominator is a power of 2 or a power of 5 or a power of 2 and 5 or a power of 2 and 5, I will get a terminating decimal. I will get a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal means 0.32, 0.18. I will get a terminating decimal. I will get a terminating decimal. Else means other than. If the denominator is not a power of 2 or not a power of 5 or not a power of 2 and 5, I will get a recurring decimal. 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 First concept in this question, directly go to the denominator, check if it is a power of 2 or it is a power of 5 or it is a combination of 2 and 5. If it is there, answer will be terminating decimal. Anything other than this one, it will be a recurring decimal. If Anil Nair students are solving this question, how they will solve? 9 by 14. 14 is defined as 2 into 7. Factors of 14 are 2 and 7. 2, that means it is a terminating decimal. 7, it is a recurring decimal. Answer clearly shows that it should be a terminating and recurring. Terminating because it contains 2, recurring because it contains 7. Answer should be a combination of terminating and recurring. This is a terminating decimal. This is a recurring decimal. This is a terminating decimal. This is terminating and recurring. How much time it has taken for you to solve this question? Again, I am repeating it, sir. 9 by 14. 14 is a combination of 2 and 7. If the denominator contains power of 2 or power of 5, then it is a terminating decimal. 2 will give you terminating. 7 will give you recurring. 7 will give you recurring. Answer should be a combination of terminating and recurring. There is no bar on this. It is a terminating decimal. There is bar on the entire digits. It is a recurring decimal. There is no bar. It is a terminating. Answer should be a combination of terminating and recurring. Answer should be a combination of terminating and recurring. I hope the idea it is clear. Hey Anil sir, what if there is an answer like this? What if there is an answer like this? 0.6428573. I eliminated 3 options because of that statement. What if there is an answer? You don't need to ask a doubt. I must have got 1.5 crore questions in my mind. So before you asking a question, I myself will keep an answer. Just listen to the class and learn as possible concepts. If you are using this R.S. Agarwal method, definitely you will not clear the placements. And you think that you are an 8-pointer or an 8.5 pointer. But the people who are smart, who are not necessarily the muggers, will probably end up succeeding ahead of you. All these darkness of not practicing, not knowing concepts, you are going to see it in the next few weeks. I hope the idea it is clear. Concept. First one, is it clear? Every question, one shortcut we will discuss. Every minute spent in the class should add a lot of valuation. Now, it is 1 by 7. Listen carefully, sir. I am more interested in seeing maximum students getting placed. 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. Denominator it is 7, right? What if there is a combination of terminating and recurring? Listen carefully. Beautiful concept. 1 by 7. Write down 14.2857. Sir, is there any reason why you are writing 4 digits after decimal? Yes, there is a reason. Please write down. If P is a prime number, 1 by P is a recurring decimal, P not equivalent to 2 comma 5 with a repetition of factor of P minus 1, factor of P minus 1. Please write down this concept in your notebook. Most of the concepts, whatever I am teaching, you will not find in any of the regular placement aptitude books. Very, very important for you to pay attention. 1 by 7 is 14.2857. 14.2857. Now if you observe, I want 2 by 7. Don't mug it up. Step number 1. Take the numerator 2. Multiply it by 10. What is 2 tens are 20. 7 goes how many times in 20? 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. Maximum 2 times it will go. Where is the digit here? Here. Write down this digit and the next digit. Dot remaining digits in the serial order. 28.5714. Again I am repeating. 3 by 7. Take the numerator 3. Multiply by 10. What is 3 tens are 30. 7 goes how many times in 30? 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 4 times. Where is the digit here? Write down this digit and the next digit. Dot the remaining digits in the serial order. 42.8571. I hope you are understanding. 4 by 7. 4 by 7. Not only DXC company, any other companies, these sessions will be extremely useful. 4 tens are 40. 7 goes 5 times. 5 and the next digit. 57.1428. 57.1428. 5 by 7. Take the numerator 5. Multiply it by 10. 5 tens are 50. 7 goes how many times? 7 times. 7. Write down the next digit in a serial order. 4285. Are you all with me? 6 by 7. 6 tens are 60. 7 goes 8 times. 85.7142. 85.7142. I hope the idea it is clear. Through every question we will discuss the ideas, concepts, shortcuts, how to eliminate the answer option, how to actually solve aptitude problem. 1 by 7, 2 by 7. 1 by 7 is 14.2857. If P is 7, it is repeating with 7 minus 1, 6. The same 6 digits, it is getting repeated. I hope the idea, it is clear. Please go back. What should be the repetition? 428571. It is 428573. It is not possible. It is not possible. So eliminate it. First thing, first learning from this question, if the denominator contains a value which is only power of 2 or only power of 5 or combination of 2 and 5, then only I will get a terminating decimal. Then only I will get a terminating decimal. Else I will get a recurring decimal.